The Onedof turntable, a work of art, an object of beauty, a mechanical device. It plays beautiful music. It's one of the most expensive turntables in the world today. What does it sound like? What does this 25-year veteran reviewer think sonically of the Onedof? First off, it is so revealing. Any tone arm you put on the turntable, you will hear a profound difference. We've used 3 tone arms on the turntable, and in fact, each of the tone arms sounded so different from each other that you would think you had a different turntable. Another reviewer, Michael Fremer, from Stereophile magazine, in a conversation with me, said the same thing. No matter what tone arm you put on the turntable, you hear the tone arm and not the turntable. And isn't that the object of a world-class turntable? We've had the Ikeda IT407, the Kuzma 4point, and the Triplaner arm on the Onedof turntable. We have separate reviews of each of those tone arms forthcoming. The Onedof showed the character of each of the arms. The Onedof itself amplified the music through the cartridge in the most realistic and beautiful way. We removed the mat that was delivered with the turntable and put our LPs directly on the platter. This enhanced the dynamics of every recording we played and enabled the Onedof to be a true conduit to the music. And speaking of the music, the Onedof does equally as well with classical, jazz, rock and roll, or female vocal. Every LP that was played through the Onedof turntable produced a holographic image in our listening room that was simply astonishing. $150,000. Is it worth it? If you have the means and you enjoy a work of art, which is itself a one of a kind, I couldn't think of a more beautiful work of art to be owned today. The Onedof turntable. It's designed by a rocket technician. It is indeed the first one. Do I have any demerits? Well, it has to do with a little bit of the fit and the finish. It's not a full production model. The clamping ring, occasionally when you're putting it down on the record, doesn't seat perfectly until you push it just a little bit. The motor where it attaches to the plinth needs to be just a little bit more substantial. And that's it. But that's a prototype. On the plus side, look at it. It's beautiful. It's a work of art. It has a unique three-pillar appearance that's unlike any other turntable on the market today. You just have to look at it and you know it's the Onedof. It's not a Goldman, it's not a Transrotor, it's a Onedof. What more can I say? It's one of the most beautiful turntables on the market today. It'll make all of your music practically come to life. It will show you the differences in your tone arm or your tone arm collection, and it will occupy the most prominent place in your audio system. The Onedof turntable. It's beautiful, and I highly recommend it. Thank you. Peter Beringer reporting for AV Showrooms.